What is a vulnerable user? Well, the League of American Bicyclists have taken it upon themselves to define what a vulnerable user is. So, first of all, let's just go over the map. So, you can see most states have not adopted this. There are some that have not adopted it, but do have provisions for bicyclists. The green states have adopted the League of American Bicyclists definition for a vulnerable user as it applies to bicycles and other modes. So the law is actually saying a person who operates a motor vehicle in a careless or distracted manner or commits an existing traffic violation under the state law and causes serious physical injury or death to a vulnerable road user shall be guilty of infliction of serious physical injury or death to a vulnerable road user. That's a very legally kind of wording, but basically it's saying if you hit one of these people, you're guilty of hitting one of these people, which is kind of funny. So the penalties are harsher for vulnerable road users where this law has been applied. First of all, there's an automatic suspension of driving privileges for no less than 6 months. And also, in addition to that, one or more of the following: paying a monetary fine, a penalty not more than $2,000, and or serve a period of incarceration which may not exceed 30 days, and or fulfill an order of restitution for out-of-pocket losses resulting from the offense in accordance with any current provisions, of course, in the state law, and or participate in a motor vehicle accident prevention course, which, you know, this is hardly ever ignorance. It's always just like someone was in a hurry or not paying attention. It's not that they don't know the laws. Number 5, perform community service for a number of hours to be determined by the court, which may not exceed 200 hours, and letter B, receive a penalty equivalent to or greater than the penalty provided for the state's vehicular or negligent homicide statute. So this is, you can see how it's really elevated language. That is kind of homicide. I mean, you have a dangerous weapon and you're flying down a road. They really are vulnerable users of the road. I mean, pedestrians getting hit by a car really is a big deal. A car hitting a car is like, oh man, I'm gonna miss my Starbucks coffee this morning. So I really think it's important to consider all of these, not just bicyclists, but all of these vulnerable road users as something special and something we really should take care of, including people who ride animals. That's also included in this law. I really think this should be more widespread. We should at least be seeing more blue in this map. So hopefully we'll get there.